In the summer of 2013, Hillendale's stormwater management system went through a major upgrade. The original system was not effective in handling the large amount of runoff from the impervious surfaces such as the roof, parking areas, roads, and playgrounds on the Hillendale property. The first group of photos you're viewing are of the original stormwater system. The original stormwater management system proved incapable of handling the large amount of runoff that occurred during storms. An average rainstorm at Hillendale can create over 100,000 gallons of stormwater runoff from Hillendale's property. The lack of an adequate stormwater management system resulted in serious erosion, flooding, and silting of Craigs Mill Run, a small stream on the southeast border of the Hillendale property that is a tributary to the Brandywine Creek. Here you can see the start of the excavation process for the 4 centrally located biodetention basins that are an integral part of Hillendale's new, redesigned stormwater management system. These biodetention basins collect rainwater runoff from the upper and lower parking areas, hardtop playground areas, and the roof of the school. Spillways divert water from one biodetention basin to the other. Biodetention basins are designed to empty within 6 to 12 hours after a storm. The new system has many features that are designed to slow down the rainwater runoff, allowing water to naturally enter the groundwater, thus preventing erosion and also resulting in cleaner water as the ground has a chance to filter and purify the water. The water leaves the final biodetention basin through a cement head wall. The stormwater runoff then drains through an 18-inch pipe, travels underground for over 100 yards to a much larger basin. Here you can see the pipes that were installed underground and the new head walls for the large extended dry basin. A large extended detention dry basin was excavated at the lower end of the Hillendale property to collect the outflow from the 4 centrally located biodetention basins. The soil taken from the digging of the basins was used to fill the canyon that had been created due to the stormwater erosion at the original final outflow area. This large extended detention dry basin limits downstream erosion. After a large rain event, an extended dry basin may hold some water from 24 to 48 hours. Hillendale's extended dry basin can hold in excess of over 100,000 gallons of runoff. An outflow control structure is a unique feature of the extended dry basin. The outflow control structure has a 3-inch hole near the bottom to allow for slow drainage of the collected water to the final discharge outflow area. Should we ever have an extreme rain event such as a hurricane, the top of the outflow control structure is open. This open grate allows for overflow to pass into the top of the outflow control structure and travel directly to the final outflow basin discharge area. This is a photo of the 2 cement head walls of the original final outflow discharge area. These original head walls were removed. This is the new cement head wall at the final outflow catch basin. This final catch basin receives water from the extended dry detention basin and has 2 underground pipes that direct water out in opposite directions into a rocky substrate to disperse the flow. The final runoff travels down a long hill. Upon completion of its journey down the hill, any remaining stormwater enters into the Craigs Mill Run stream, a tributary of the Brandywine Creek. In addition to the main system just described, a series of rain gardens were strategically constructed to collect rainwater from the lower parking area at Hillendale. Rain gardens reduce rain runoff by allowing stormwater to soak into the ground. This helps control erosion, water pollution, and flooding.